This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the card is active and has the correct balance. Call or check online with the card number and PIN. Once done, sign into your Croma account or create one if you'll check out digitally, because saved payment methods speed the process. Make sure you note any expiry date and restrictions so you avoid surprises. This matters when mixing payments or pre-ordering limited items. You apply the gift card during checkout by selecting it as your payment method. Online, enter the card number and PIN in the payment section. In store, hand the card to the cashier and request splitting the bill if the card covers only part of the total. Once done, make sure the final amount, tax, and shipping, if any, are accurate. If the card doesn't cover full cost, immediately choose your backup payment to complete the order. You complete the purchase and keep the receipt. Note the remaining balance right away so you can use it later. If the card is declined, first recheck the number, PIN, expiry, and available balance, then contact Croma support with transaction details if issues persist. Once resolved, make sure future purchases apply any leftover funds, and if you return items, request the refund back to the original gift card so funds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.